Carrie Ann, how are you? Hey, that was a song back in my day. If you just noticed, I started the vehicle with this beautiful SLT with the remote. And I just opened the tailgate too. This is an SLT which looks and actually has most of the equipment of a Denali. Has a little bit better gas mileage because it's a 5.3 liter. You got the 22-inch wheels, nice tires, you got air-conditioned seats, and it's four-wheel drive. Pedal. You can see the air-conditioned seats. You got a height adjustable pedal, power steering column, charger on the console, of course power windows, locks, and all that, sunroof. In the side mirrors, you'll see the little blind spot protection emblem right here. So this will flash orange, and these are your turn signals. That'll flash orange on both sides if someone's in your blind spot. You have the smart key, so if it's in your pocketbook, as long as the pocketbook is with you, you don't have to touch the remote. You got the air-conditioned seats. You can see the vents back there. There's captain's chairs. You got folding rear seats. Power folding middle seats too. And if you saw, there's the headrests, the headsets, and you've got the remote built into the DVD player. It's a really, really great looking vehicle. It's in excellent shape. It's got 33.9 on it, and it's a local Florida vehicle. So give me a call. Let me know when you can come in. 954-406-1433. This is Fritzy at Delray Buick GMC. Pre-owned.